Hi everyone, Mrs. Crane here. I wanted to send you a quick video because it's hard to believe, but next week are parent-teacher conferences, and I wanted to remind you guys how important it is for if you are free to attend as much as possible. I'll cite the research I shared last time that students whose parents are connected and informed about the learning going on in their school, their students are more likely to achieve at a high level. So I want to encourage you guys to stop by Olathe West next week. We'll have conferences on Wednesday evening from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m. and then again the next day from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. with a break for teachers to eat from 4 to 4:45, so no conferences will be during that time. Make sure that you stop by whenever works in your schedule. There's no need to make an appointment, but I would love to see you there. If you're unable to attend, feel free to send me an email and let me know, and I can schedule a phone or a Skype conference instead if that's something you would prefer. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.